Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Snowblower Electric Start is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners facing harsh winter conditions, offering a powerful and convenient solution to clear snow quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time and energy compared to manual shoveling, ensuring your driveways and walkways are accessible even after the heaviest snowfall, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to maintain their property with ease during the colder months. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ625E 15-amp corded electric snow blower. Tackle mid-size driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snowblower makes clearing snow quick and simple. Enjoy the convenience of electric power. Forget about gas, oil, and messy tune-ups, making winter cleanup a breeze. Its robust motor moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. The adjustable chute directs snow up to 20 feet away. With a 21-inch wide and 12-inch deep clearing path, it efficiently removes snow. The steel auger ensures durability and performance. Designed with compact wheels for effortless maneuverability. It also includes a cord for extended reach with an outdoor extension cord. Equipped with an LED light, it helps you clear snow even in low-light conditions. See where you're going for safer operation. What we like. This electric snow blower offers a powerful 15-amp motor for quick snow removal. Its 21-inch clearing width and adjustable LED light make it ideal for mid-sized driveways and walkways. If you're looking for a hassle-free electric option that can handle moderate snowfall efficiently, this is a great choice. What people say. The electric start is a game-changer, making it incredibly easy to get going even on the coldest mornings. It clears snow efficiently, handling up to 10 inches of wet, heavy snow without any issues. The adjustable chute directs snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup against the house. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward, taking less than 30 minutes to put together out of the box. The powerful motor handles tough snow with ease. Number 4. Snow Joe SJ618E Electric Snow Blower. Tackle snow-covered driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snow blower is designed for efficient snow management. Powered by a robust motor, it clears snow rapidly, offering gas-like performance without the hassle of fuel or maintenance. With an adjustable chute, you have full control over snow direction. You can even adjust the throw height up to 20 feet. Its durable rotor cuts a wide path quickly, clearing snow without damaging surfaces like decks or pavements. Navigate mid-sized areas smoothly and efficiently. Compact all-terrain wheels ensure easy movement and control. What we like. This electric snow thrower features an 18-inch clearing width and a 13-amp motor for efficient snow management. Its lightweight design and all-terrain wheels ensure effortless maneuverability. If you need a compact and easy-to-handle snow blower for smaller areas and prefer quiet operation, this model is perfect for you. What people say. The electric start feature makes it incredibly easy to get going, even in the coldest weather. It clears snow efficiently, handling up to 8 inches of wet, heavy snow without any issues. The adjustable chute allows you to direct the snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup against the house. Number 3. PowerSmart 24-inch 212 cubic centimeters gas snow blower. Tackle heavy snow with ease. This powerful machine offers a 24-inch clearing width and can throw snow up to 45 feet, handling up to 2,400 pounds per minute. Equipped with a robust 212 cubic centimeters engine, it's designed for demanding snow removal tasks. It's perfect for clearing large driveways and sidewalks efficiently. Constructed with reinforced steel housing and frame, this snow blower is built for durability. It's ready to handle tough jobs year after year. Navigate through snow effortlessly with its self-propelled system. Choose from 6 forward and 2 reverse speeds for optimal control in any condition. Forget pull starts. Its electric start gets you going with the push of a button. Plus, the LED headlight ensures visibility even in dark conditions. The serrated steel auger cuts through snow and ice effectively. It reduces clogging and quickly shreds even the toughest snow. Direct snow exactly where you want it with the remote chute rotation and deflector control. Adjustments are easy to make while you're operating. What we like. This gas-powered snowblower boasts a 24-inch clearing width and a robust 212 cubic centimeters engine with electric start. Its self-propelled, 8-speed system makes tackling heavy snow on large driveways effortless. If you have a large property or frequently deal with heavy, wet snow, this machine offers the power and convenience you need. What people say. The electric start is a game changer, making it incredibly easy to get going even in the coldest weather. It clears snow efficiently, handling up to 10 inches of wet, heavy snow with ease. The adjustable chute allows you to direct snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup against your house or garage. The powerful motor provides ample torque for tough jobs, and the LED headlights are a great feature for early morning or late evening snow clearing. Number 2. PowerSmart 26-inch self-propelled snowblower. Tired of struggling with heavy, wet snow? Our powerful gas engine effortlessly clears even the deepest snowdrifts, throwing an impressive amount with ease. Navigate any terrain with confidence. Its self-propelled drive system offers multiple speed settings, making clearing slopes and large areas a breeze. Designed with two-stage technology, its all-steel auger cuts through icy snow while the high-speed impeller throws it far. Adjustable skid shoes protect your surfaces. Starting is as easy as pushing a button. Effortlessly control the chute direction with one hand, and its large tires provide stability. With a wide clearing path and deep intake, it makes quick work of the deepest snow. You can clear your entire driveway, even after a major snowfall, in no time. What we like. With a 26-inch clearing width and two-stage technology, this gas snow blower is designed for heavy-duty snow removal. Its powerful 212 cubic centimeters engine can throw snow up to 45 feet, making quick work of even the deepest snow. If you need to clear large areas, like a 16-car driveway, and want fast, efficient snow removal, this is the one. What people say. The electric start is a game changer, making it incredibly easy to get going even in the coldest weather. It clears snow efficiently, handling up to 10 inches of wet, heavy snow without any issues. The adjustable chute allows you to direct snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup in unwanted areas. Number 1. Tecumseh 37,000 Starter Replacement. Introducing a brand new starter designed as a reliable replacement for your snowblower. It's compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh engine models. This starter is engineered to fit various Tecumseh engine series, including LH, HMT, HM70, HMXL70, HMSK, OHM, and OHSK models. Our product is built with reliable quality in mind. It undergoes strict quality control to meet high standards, ensuring stable performance. We are committed to fast responses for all your needs. Our team is ready to assist you with product inquiries and after-sales service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We offer comprehensive after-sales support, including return policies and a 1-year quality guarantee. This starter replaces multiple part numbers, including 37,000, 33329, and 72403600, ensuring a seamless fit for your equipment. What we like. This is a reliable replacement starter designed for specific Tecumseh engine models. It undergoes rigorous quality control for stable performance. If your existing snowblower starter for a compatible Tecumseh engine has failed and you're looking for a dependable, direct replacement with good after-sales support, this is a solid option. What people say. The electric start is a game changer, making it incredibly easy to get going even on the coldest mornings. It clears snow efficiently, handling up to 8 inches of wet, heavy snow with ease. The adjustable chute directs snow exactly where you want it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.